everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have the Macy's Beauty Box for the month of January. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, we're about to dig in to see what I got in my Macy's Beauty Box. Believe it or not, this is like one of my favorite makeup subscription boxes. It's only $15 and you really get your bang for your buck for this box. Last month's makeup subscription box for Macy's was very weird. We got some random... Anybody who saw that box, I'm going to put it in the description down below if you guys want to take a look at that video. I got something very interesting in that box. It was very random, kind of funky. I don't know if I really would say I like that item that they put in there, but nevertheless, I did love the box rather than that one weird thing. I actually did use it, by the way. So if you guys want to know what that is, watch that video. But yeah, we're going to see what's in this January box. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Aisha. I do lots of makeup subscription boxes on my channel because I love makeup. You'll find lots of makeup hauls, shopping hauls, anything makeup related, mystery boxes, all makeup related. If you guys are interested in stuff like that, then I would say consider subscribing to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family. It's greatly appreciated. And if you like my video, give me a thumbs up. And that's it. That's really about it. So enough with the chit chat and Aisha.
Let's get into the box. Into the box.
Alrighty, so let's see here. I guess we open it from up here. Alright, so when you open the box, that's what the sneak peek looks like. So I have some stuff in here. I have this, and I have this. Oh, and I got my $5 off. And I think you can use this online, too, if I'm correct. But it's $5 off, and you can use this coupon from $12.25 to $2.26. So that's a decent amount of time to use it. You have like 2 months to use this. So, definitely going to use that. So, enough with the box. Alright, I'm dying to know what's in here. So we're going to open it. I love the pink. See, pink vibes today. Let's see what I got. Ooh, I got a lot. For $15, like, honestly, Macy's really improved. The old, Macy's boxes, I didn't think they were that great, but now they're actually, you guys, I can't wait to show you all the stuff I got in here. I got a lot of stuff for 15 bucks. So this, I know what this is. This is it that scrunchie that, I forgot what it's called, where it doesn't leave a dent in your hair? Now, most people won't be happy about a scrunchie, but this is not just any scrunchie. This is a pink scrunchie. Oh, it is that scrunchie where it doesn't crimp your hair. So I'm very happy about this. I love pink. It's my favorite color. And it's like a velvety soft scrunchie. So I'm not mad at it. Most people probably would have been mad to get a scrunchie, but I'm actually happy. First item. All right. I got the Raoul shampoo and conditioner. It says for healthy, lustrous hair. So I like sometimes when you get the shampoo and the conditioner, so you can try them both out together. So that's that. Let's do a smell test. Oh, they're sealed. When they're sealed, I don't open them because I have a lot of everything. A lot of the shampoos, conditioners, makeup, you name it, I have it. I mean, look at all the subscription boxes I have. So I don't open anything till I use it just to keep them preserved and fresh. But excited to try that. I have Ghost Oil. It says Smoothing Meringue Blend Weightless Hair Oil. My hair is super dry. So I go through like hair oil, like The hair oil that I love now, I'm using like the Way hair oil. So good. So good. But this is what it looks like. Can you guys see? Excited to try that. Does it have a smell? This I'll open because I use hair oil every day. And I can like mix and match hair oil. Does it have a scent? It smells nice. It doesn't really smell like anything, but let's put a little in the hair. But I'm going to definitely use that. So far I'm liking everything. I got a dry bar item. This is a volume boosting root lifter. Very interesting from Dry Bar. There we go. Finally focusing. So I'm very excited for that. Then I got a chlorine shampoo set, which is a dry shampoo with oat milk, ultra gentle. Very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. I got a perfume by Michael Kors called Gorgeous. A daily reminder to celebrate yourself with floral bouquet, tobacco leaf, sensual cedarwood. I don't think I like the smell of cedarwood, so I don't know if I'm going to like this. I'm going to spray the card. I learned the hard way not to spray something on me because if I don't like it, the scent is stuck on me. So let's spray the card. Thank God I sprayed the card. This is not an Aisha scent. I mean, I like that it's floral. When you spray it initially, I don't like it, but it dries down actually kind of nice. It's still not an Aisha scent, though, so I won't be buying this scent, but it's okay. So that's all that was in here, but then I got a flat iron, a mini flat iron by Sutra. And I think that's amazing because, like I said, this box was only 15 bucks, so let's see what this mini flat iron is all about. Oh, this is cute. I'm going to actually use this. Go ahead, Macy's Beauty Box. Look how cute this is, guys. So tiny. It says like Sutra on it. I'm super excited. I'm going to definitely use this. Yes, Macy's Beauty Box. Like I said, guys, like, honestly, for $15, this box is not too shabby. And like I said, it's not even $15 because they give you $5 back. You can use this in Macy's. $5 off any beauty item. Oh, I keep forgetting that it shows you everything you get in your box on this card. Thank God I never look at it because it would just give everything away. Ruin the spoil. But I actually love everything in this box. And honestly, not everything, like, there wasn't even really a makeup item in here when you really think about it. But I love everything in here. Like, I would use everything in here. So, I'm actually happy. I think I like this because there was nothing skincare in here. I think I just don't like getting skincare items because there was no makeup in here. But, there wasn't no skincare, which is good. So, love this box. Does it give prices? It doesn't give. Oh, it does give prices of the full size of everything. Oh, I'm so super excited. And it shows you what the full size items look like too. That's what they look like full size. The things that I just got. And then it tells you about everything. And it gives prices. I'm super excited. Super, 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 super excited. That is it. I would give this box a 9 out of 10. I didn't give it a 10 because there was no makeup item in here, but like I love everything so much that I gave it a 9. So, super excited. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you loved my video, do me a favor, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Become a part of my YouTube family. And stay tuned for my next video because I'm going to be showing you what I got in my Ipsy glam bag for the month of January. So, stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in my next